Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw the Homer Simpson kind of donut head version of himself from Treehouse of Horrors. I think it was Treehouse of Horrors 4 when I think it was a deal he made with the devil and he turned into a donut head. You'll know what I mean. It's a kind of a cool, it's semi-iconic look that he had, but I'm going to draw that with marker. We are going to draw that with marker together. So let's get started. Oh, before that though, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification. I'm going to be posting about 3 videos a day till Halloween. I'm going to be posting like crazy, and I hope you enjoy it. Also, don't forget that I'm selling drawing guides, basically. These drawing guides will help you in your drawing in general. It's step-by-step drawing guides for 100 drawings, 100 of these. They're 8.5 by 11, so they're made to print out, easy and simple. They're $5 all together, so that means each one of them is 5 cents. And I'm gonna throw in an extra as well. I think it's 101. So don't forget to click the link on that. It's on my Gumroad. The Gumroad is great. So let's get going to this. This is gonna be deceptively hard because it's a donut shape, so that means there's gonna be a lot of round going on. So that's gonna be kind of harsh if you have a marker, which like we do. So I'm gonna start with the largest curve to get that out of the way first, and let's get going with that largest curve. It's gonna be very large. I can only do part way because I'm gonna put that he was kind of picking at his donut head, so he's gonna have like a bite in it. So you have that kind of, I don't know what it is, 3/4 of a circle. And we are going to pull in here like the donut has been eaten and picked at, because that's what he's doing. That's what Homer's doing in the actual episode. So it's really just jaggedy lines, because like just imagine somebody picking at a large donut. That's literally what you're doing. Kind of picking, like just jaggedy lines is fine. It doesn't have to be in any particular number of jaggedy lines, but try to make them match each other. I would say just do that. And then right off the bat, I want to do that center part of the donut, and it's gonna be maybe, you could probably fit 3 of them across, or actually 4 of them. I'll say like 5. So example, there's 1 in the middle, and you could fit 2 on the left and 2 on the right. Let's try to go for that measurement. So if I'm doing that, let me see. Oops, I caught my paper, see? Yeah, so that's good enough right there. So if I was to take that measurement, like from across, and move it over, maybe like 1.5 would fit over here, maybe 1 and a bit here. Be careful with that. Try to be loose when you're making these curved shapes. I always recommend moving with your shoulder. That's a huge one, like your shoulder and elbow, instead of just with your wrist. Right here I'm gonna throw the little hairs on Homer's head. It's literally just 2 arcs. It's going for the nose. The nose is right below that donut hole, so that Simpson nose, which is kind of like elongated C. Pulling down into that Homer Simpson mouth. Off this side here, pulling forward. Top lip. I'm not gonna extend it into a full smile. I'm gonna give him more of a kind of I don't know, like stooped look, like pulled a lower lip right here. It's gonna be one, like kind of like, I don't know how to say this, like one bevel here, and then another one that goes right to the mouth. Then I'm gonna connect this extra negative space over here. So far it looks like he has like a Cyclops head, but let's draw the eyes in. Let me draw the far side eye first. It's just a circle. Over here, let's go back to this far side eye as well, right here. Make sure that the same level. And then try to match the scale as close as you can. Dot here, dot here. And then let us draw in the ear here. The ear is going to be a little bit lower than the eye. Pull this up. And it's such an awkward way to draw Homer. It's like ridiculous because you're taking the same kind of shape and messing with it. I draw a little bit right there to make it look like a kind of a cylinder. Draw down his neck. Collar. I'm gonna draw his tie because he's wearing a tie in that episode. We're just drawing the top of the collar here, so real simplistic shapes. Then the inside of the ear, which is literally just a line. And really just two lines, it's like the letter Y inside of his ear. If you want, you could draw a thick line, which is, I'm about to do that as well right now. Well, I'm going to draw the M. I forgot he's got the M for his side of his hair here. Then Matt Groening did his initials right initially, I believe, and the character, the MG on the ear. Let me draw a thicker line around a big chunk of this in order to... And I talked about it, I don't like doing that with a lot of characters, but I mean with Simpson characters, but I'm going to do it with this one. I think it can help it out. Just in general, kind of uniform it, because this character is a really odd design. Because of the whole Halloween aspect to it. So I'm going to thicken the contour. Just kind of give it a little bit more unification to it. And this donut was picked out, so I forgot. I just put a couple of dots here. Markers given out. Just throw little dots here, like it was like that's the innards of like bread. That's kind of the idea. Alrighty. And I think, well, you know what? I forgot. I'm gonna draw a little bit thicker here. I'm gonna try to even out this thick line I put on everything, and then I'm actually gonna do it to the center. And the reason I want to do that is because that's the contour. You know, you're looking through that hole. It'll make it more obvious that that's a negative space by doing that. Alright, and I think that's pretty much, like, I'm just trying to look for unevenness here in any of the line. But that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the watch. Hit that like button if you did enjoy this video. Also, what was your favorite, if you're a Simpsons fan, I'm assuming you are a Simpsons fan if you're watching this, what is your favorite kind of Treehouse of Horror sketch? There's so many of them. I'm literally watching all of them right now, like in a row for Halloween. I'm on number, I think, 13 right now, but I'm watching a bunch. My favorite one would probably be Treehouse of Horror, I think 3. I can't remember, the one with the monkey's paw. I can't remember if it was like 3. The monkey's paw one really made me laugh. The Frogurt one. Anyways, thank you so much, guys. I will see you in the next video. Keep following, and I'll talk to you soon. Happy Halloween.